Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Revolut virtual cards, how to use them effectively. I'm going to show you the dashboard, but primarily I'm going to focus on how to add a card. And now let's launch the Revolut app. Alright, and here what you have to do is to you're going to have to tab the card symbol in the corner. So we have these cards here, and from here we can see this add new button right over here, and we can click on this and choose this like physical card or virtual card. You can choose your card designer, personalize it, and it gets delivered if you want the physical card. And if you want a virtual card, get a virtual card instantly and try disposable for extra security only. Now you choose which option you want. And also here you have Revolut Pro. If you are now freelancing, get up to 1.2 cash back for all your business expenses, or virtual cards, saying cash back as a physical card without the wait, spend online or with Apple Pay right away. So choose here which option you want, and then select instantly create a virtual card to make managing online payment easy and never deal with the hassle of losing your card again. So you can select here virtual disposal or just virtual. Virtual disposal, your card detail automatically change each time you make a payment, protect you from the fraud. So you can select which option you want from here. I'm gonna go with virtual disposal, get disposable. Okay, now is just reloading. And now just need to wait a couple of seconds. Now here in cards we have this disposable card, and it's not loading because of this protect information. I'm really sorry, but now I'm just gonna explain. Now all you have to do right now, if you want, is to add. You can go to your, let's say, wallet and add this card there. You're gonna be able to check the information. You can like store this virtual card to a wallet, Google Pay wallet, or Apple Store. You can also add this to your wallet. So actually let me show you. And here you can click on this plus, and then here debit or credit card, and here you're gonna have to write Revolut. You see, click on Revolut, and you just need to use Revolut app to add your card to Apple Store. So I hope this short tutorial you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.